Now we're getting to the interesting part of filling up the cabbage. We're going to take the leaf, and the thick part that we cut is going to be placed down. We're going to open the leaf and take some stuffing. Don't forget it has rice that is uncooked, so it's going to blow up a little bit, so we don't put too much. We put it in the center. We put a little, actually a little bit upper, and then we're going to fold the top one time inside towards the center. Then we're going to take both sides and fold them each one to the center and continue to roll it until the end. If we have a piece, we can just cut it, as you can see. We're going to do it. I'm going to put them aside. I'm going to do some more. Open the leaf. Put about 1.5 tablespoons inside. Depends on the size of the leaf, actually. If you have a smaller leaf, then you should put less stuffing. We're going to fold both sides to the middle and roll it again. I'm going to do it with all the leaves. As you can see, because they were freeze, now they're very easy to work with. They're not tearing apart. And I'm going to roll it again. And you go over this thing over and over until either the stuffing finishes or you finish doing all the leaves. If you want to make it vegetarian, you don't have to put the meat inside. You can use the same stuffing as we used for the pepper and the zucchini. You can use them on the cabbage too.